Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll briefly explain to you how to rank higher on Etsy search. Want to rank higher on Etsy search, then you should use words that buyers will actually type in the searching bar when they look for your product. You have to include those keywords in the product title, also all 13 tags, and in the first few sentences of your description. Then you have to choose the most accurate category and attributes, because basically Etsy will use them like extra keywords. Then you have to keep clear and high quality photos of your items to grab people's attention and also encourage, let's say, clicks. I mean the number of time that your listing was open. And also positive reviews help listings rank better in the search, so you have to provide great service to your customers and ask buyers to leave reviews for your items. And also you have to keep the shop active by regularly adding some new listings to your shop or simply updating old ones, which will show to Etsy platform that your shop is fresh and engaged. So yeah, that were the main points on how you can rank higher on Etsy search. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.